Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to remove the Odoo branding. Let's get started. First, go to odoo.com, log in your account, and this action will lead you to your dashboard where you will click on the website option. In this new tab containing your website, click on Edit at the top right corner, and this right panel will open. Next, in your website, look for and click the section containing the branding, like this copyright branding down here. The right panel will change into this, and you're just gonna click the toggle next to the copyright option to turn the copyright branding off. Next, if you also want to turn off and change your favicon, click on Configuration from the navigation menu above. Then click Settings from the drop-down menu. In this new page containing the settings, click on Website from the left panel, then click on this trash can icon next to the favicon option to delete the default favicon. Next, if you want to add your own favicon, click on this camera with a plus icon. Look for the picture you want to use as a favicon and upload it. And that is how you can remove the Odoo branding. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.